NVivo. Let's look at the sixth way of visualizing information or data in NVivo, which is through the use of mind maps. Again, I'm on codes and these are my major themes that I had here. If I go to explore, I go to maps. You can see maps here. I click on it, then I go to mind map. And let's say I want to make a mind map of this other people's perception. I can open this and copy paste. So I go to mind map and call this other people's perception and click OK. And NVivo will start to draw our mind map. So we have the first circle here. Let me just Control V, press Control V on my computer because that's the way I just copy pasted the theme other people's perception. And then under this, we can see we have positive and negative. So I'll go to this area and refer to this. It's a child idea under other people's perception. If you want to have a hierarchy, you click on child idea. If you want ideas on the same level, you click on sibling idea. So sibling idea is ideas on the same level. Child idea is an idea below another major idea. So other people's perception, I want positive and negative as child idea. So I click child once and child twice. So I will also copy paste this and I press Control V. I double click Control V. Then we have positive. Then I can also copy paste the sub theme negative. Control V. So we have positive. Other people's perception can either be positive or negative. Under positive and negative, we can also have other ideas. Now, if you look at this area on your left on the mind map, you can see a given tool that we can use to format our mind map having a hierarchy. You can see right now it says it just shows different like side by side way of visualizing. If you go down on the arrow, you can see different options. I like this one, which they call the top-down approach. So other people's perception, you can see positive, negative. Now under positive, you have trendy and fashionable and quiet. So those are the two codes under the sub-theme of positive. So under positive, again, I want two child ideas under positive, and under negative, I want 3 child ideas. As you can see, I have 3 codes here. So I click on negative 1, I click on negative again 2, and I click on negative again 3. So this is how we represent this. This is a major theme, these are sub-themes on this level, and these are codes on the lower level. And let's fill everything up. You can type or you can copy paste like me. So I double click on the box, I press Control V, and I paste trendy and fashionable. So that's how we draw a mind map in NVivo. We use these tools called child idea, sibling idea. Sibling is on the same level, of course. Child is below it. Floating idea is an idea that is not attached to your mind map. We can export this by pressing Control Shift E and other people's perception and save. And I want to show you what we just exported.